Hello, today what I want to do is I want to share a very budget friendly tarp that we can use for bushcraft, survival, or camping. I have used these tarps for years now, and I've slept in extreme weather conditions under these tarps. Now, I carry a personal survival kit that can last me days out there if need be. But it's my day hike kit and so on. I have it on my back when I go to the woods. Unless I'm going camping and such, then I have a different setup. This here's mostly for trips out in the woods for the day or whatever, just in case I may need the extra gear. So I carry one in my personal survival kit, and the reason why is because they have proven themselves. Like I mentioned, I have been in extreme weather under these tarps. Hundreds of times I've slept under these type of tarps. That's why I want to share them. And I'm not scared if I burn a small hole in it from a campfire and such. Instead of using a $60 sil nylon tarp, I will go with one of these tarps here, because if I burn a couple holes in it, I can throw some duct tape on it if I want and still use it, or I can just go and spend under $10 and buy another one. So this here is the one that I carry in my personal survival kit. And what I'm talking about are poly tarps. These ones here they last a long time for camping and such. You leave them in the sun, they start to break down. But these tarps here are better than they used to be many years ago. But I just replace them. If they start to get weak, I replace them. Very easy. This one here I bought for $3 at the dollar store. It's a 6x8 tarp, and it's blue on the outside. So this is very visible actually in the woods, the blue. If you set this up and you look over, you can see this pretty well. So it has pretty high contrast against, especially in the fall, where orange tarps will blend in sometimes with leaves and such. This one here can be seen. And it also has a light gray, almost silver type of inner color. So that there can help with reflection from a fire. I've spent many campouts under a tarp just like this, a 6x8. And that's what I carry in my survival kit. And the reason why is they're tough. Sometimes you'll have some with a grommet pop out. Doesn't matter to me because I can still use the button method. I can still wrap another guy line to that and tie it out. No big deal. They're really tough. I've put out videos where you can use this same type of tarp, a 10x12, and make a hammock, also a pea pod shelter. So very tough. I can count on this, you know, in the wind and such. And I've been fine. That's why I'm sharing this. What I love about these tarps is how small and compact it is and lightweight. Now this here is a sheet bag. A sheet came in this bag and I just reused it. But inside I also carry 4 loops I can use for Prusik knots, and also the 2 other to wrap around a stake, 2 stakes, and a ridge line. So I have everything in this bag to put up a quick shelter. And what I love about these is they do not need to be treated. They will last for years just during camping. because usually you put it up and such and you don't leave it out there in the sun for months, so they'll last years. And if they do start to wear, buy another one. This one is $3. I have actually several of these. I use them also as ground sheets. I use them for carrying things as well. I can fill this up full of leaves, bundle it up, throw it on my shoulder, carry it, and dump it. It's very multi-use, and this one being heavy duty, very good choice. Now, I've also used just the lighter versions of this as well, and spent many nights in the rain in a hammock underneath these style of tarps as well. So this one here, the heavy duty, works great, but even the lighter ones work well for rain and such. So this here is just another option I wanted to share. People on a budget that wants a hammock tarp. I used a 9x12 and a 10x12 tarp for a hammock tarp for years, and a lot of times I'll still use those over using my sil nylon because I may want a fire and I do not want a hole in my sil nylon tarps. This one here, or a 10x12, I can get for under $10, and I'm not really worried about a hole or two. So very good budget style tarp, and they're strong. Like I said, I've used it many years, and I really enjoy them, and they're my go-to for a lot of situations. Thanks for watching, take care, and hopefully this helps someone. Bye for now.